Hello, everyone. So, I'm teaching my husband how to be a smart shopper. Smart meaning how to save money on our groceries. For some people, like myself, 2021 is all about extra savings and recovery. So, I thought I'd share this video to you as well. Number one, use cashback apps. Cashback apps like Checkout 51 and Cuddle let you earn cash on some of the groceries. They release their weekly offers every Thursday. So what I do is whenever I see items there that I usually purchase, I will put it on my list, and then after my grocery shopping, I'll just click the items, redeem, take a photo, and then upload through the app. And when the money in your account reaches to $20 or more, then you can cash out and they will send you a check. Number two, sign up for loyalty or reward points. If you like going to Superstore, No Frills, Specialist Shoppers Drug Mart, and other Loblaws grocery chain, don't miss out on their optimum reward points. Signing up is free, and besides the in-store offers, they will send you personal offers that will let you earn points even more. Then you can redeem your points for free groceries and other stuff. If you also like going to Rexall, they have this new reward points called Be Well. And with the link RBC account, it lets you earn even more points and extra cash offers. And also, there's the Air Miles if you prefer going to Sobeys or Metro. Number three, download the flyer app called Flip. If you like browsing through flyers before you shop, you'll like Flip even more, especially during COVID, that they lessen the distribution of printed flyers. And also, this is the most efficient way to price match, which leads me to number four, price matching. Mostly of the major grocery stores in Canada price match. So if you see an item that is cheaper in other store rather than your favorite store, just tap it and it will save to your shopping list and then show it to the cashier when you pay. Number five, use coupons. Here's a little fun fact. My first boss introduced me to Checkout 51 and Optimum Points when I first came to Canada. But thanks to my friend Shar, who always reminds me to check our local store when new coupons are out. So yes, it's better to have a coupon buddy or group so that you can share its other than latest deals. Number six, always check the clearance or sales section of the store. If you need it, why pay a full price if you can get it in a fraction of the price? Number seven, bring your own bags. Almost all of the stores charge for plastic bags. If we bring our own bags, not only we save few cents, but we also help reduce plastic waste. Number eight, only buy what you and your family needs. Don't fall into the trap of impulse buying. I know most of us are guilty of this. Just ask ourselves, do we really need this? So just stick to our shopping list and only purchase what our family can consume. So that's it, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give it a like and consider subscribing as well. If you have any question or other pro tips that you would like to share, please leave your comment below.